Hi everybody, back here in the automotive. I got a Volkswagen Polo, cutting out at times and hard to start, sometimes just stall. So I'm going to check the power circuits. What I found is someone's already repaired this power circuit and put this fuse here, which is wrong because you got more resistance there on the wiring, so it's not connected properly across the terminal there. And someone's put the wrong one, the wrong current fuse here as well. I'm going to check all the cables. I've got an onboard power supply ECU. I got it after second hand. I'm going to fit that and code it. I'm going to check the DME engine computer, make sure it's all plugged in properly. There's no water getting in. I might have to seal that properly. Check all the water, earth, a few power wire here, and I'm going to show you that's the new fuse. I've got a new fuse from Volkswagen. I'm going to put them on here, and then I'll go for a long road test and double check everything. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.